This harmless insect fools predators daily. Nature's clever trick saves countless lives. Deep within nature, survival is a constant game. Creatures use incredible strategies to endure. One such strategy is called mimicry. It's a masterful act of deception. Today, we explore the science behind it. Specifically, the amazing hoverfly. Imagine looking like something dangerous, yet you are completely defenseless yourself. This is Batesian mimicry, named for Henry Walter Bates. Bates was a British naturalist in the 1800s. He documented this phenomenon back in 1862. Bates observed butterflies in the Amazon rainforest. Some palatable species resembled toxic ones. Predators learned to avoid these specific patterns. Now consider the common hoverfly, family Syrphidae. Many species mimic bees or wasps perfectly. Take Volucella pellucens, for instance. It strikingly resembles the European hornet, Vespa crabro. The hoverfly even mimics flight patterns. They often buzz around like stinging insects. This visual deception is remarkably effective. The science here is evolutionary adaptation. Predators learn to associate certain colors with danger. A bird stung by a wasp avoids yellow and black. Harmless hoverflies benefit from this learned avoidance. Genes for wasp-like traits become more prevalent. Over generations, mimicry becomes refined. This is natural selection in action. The fitness advantage is clear: survival. Even the larvae of some hoverflies mimic social insects. This isn't a static relationship, however. It's a continuous evolutionary arms race. Mimics must maintain their convincing disguise. Predators constantly refine their detection skills. Imperfect mimics are more easily preyed upon. Only the best deceivers survive to reproduce. This pressure drives incredible precision in mimicry. Mimicry showcases nature's ingenious solutions. It reveals deep evolutionary principles at work. Understanding this helps us value biodiversity. Each tiny creature plays a vital role. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations.